Project explanation for home automation system. You will be having totally 4 wires connections. One is for a USB Arduino board. Second one is for micro USB Nodemcu, and you'll have an external power supply, as well as we are using one external again power supply 5 volts for the other modules to reduce the load on the Nodemcu Arduino Uno. So we will be connecting this one to the external power supply, and then we will be connecting the AC power supply here. Thereafter you can connect the Nodemcu, but before connecting the Nodemcu you have to create a mobile phone hotspot. The hotspot setting should be small letters project and project 1234 as shown in this video. So this should be the settings, project 1 2 3 4. After that you can connect the Nodemcu to your laptop or else to the external power supply, as well as the Arduino Uno also. So the application starts and it will show the current status of all the switches. These are the switches: air condition, LED, fan, and fridge. So these are all the switches, and you will have DC fan, 2 lights, bulbs, Nodemcu module, everything. And we'll have an Android app, and this Android app will show you all the values of the current status see that everything is in the off state for mutual coordination between the app and these things. And now I will turn on the fan. So if I turn on the fan will turn on, and the same will be updated over the online. Okay, this is one way of turning on the fan. You can also turn off from the voice. Fan off. So now fan turned off. Even when the fan switch is in the on state also we have turned off, and immediately you can turn on the fan. Fan on. So you can see, and you can turn off from the switch. It got turned off, and the same status will be updated over the online. Okay, same way for LED. Turn on. You can see LED, switch off, turn off, the status on and got off. Okay, so let the status get updated to the off. Give some delay between the operations. Okay, so now I'm also turning off from the online. LED off. And whenever you operate relays, then it will the LCD is getting issued due to the reverse current. Light off. I have given the wrong command. It is light off. Light on. Okay, from online it is getting, as well as from switch we can turn it off. The status turned off. Okay, same way for fridge. Fridge on. The fridge got turned on. give some delay between the operations. Don't do one by one immediately, because we are using two boards and the communication has to be done. Now I'm turning on the fridge here, but there won't be any status change as it's already in the on state. Now I will turn it off. It got turned off and the same status will be updated over on. Okay. Same way, air condition, AC on. AC on, sometimes giving this result you have to be specific. AC on, give gap between the AC and a small delay and then turn on. AC off. AC on. This is the AC switch, and the relay gets like this. So this is the application functionality, and you can also turn off from online. So see that when the kit is turned on, all the switches are in the off state for a good coordination.